What drives a man with everything to betray his country? Is it ego, greed, or simply the desire to be needed once more? Whatever the motive was, the damage was done. Nausher Gowadia's story is not just one of the episonage. It's a cautionary tale about the cost of compromised loyalty and how one man's betrayal threatened to tip the balance of global power. Nausher Saraji Gowadia, born in India in 1944 and immigrated to the United States in 1963. A gifted aerospace engineer, he quickly rose to the ranks of Northrop, contributing critically to the design of B-2 Steelite bombers' propulsion system. He designed one of the most advanced Steelite bombers in the world, the B-2 Spirit. A man of brilliance, precision, trust, but behind the promise of national security, one scientist's choices would shatter it all. Between 2003 and 2005, Gowadia traveled internationally, meeting with foreign agents and transferring documents containing classified data. His work was instrumental in giving the B-2 its radar evading capabilities, knowledge so sensitive it was classified at the highest level. But in 2005, this American dream turned into a national security nightmare. He boasted about his work on Steelite and missile technology, sharing America's secret for personal gain. In October 2005, Gowadia was arrested at his multi-million-dollar home in Mumbai. The charges: selling top secret defense information to foreign governments including China and individuals in Germany, Israel and Switzerland. Gowadia helped China design a cruise missile with Steelite technology. He allegedly made over $1 lakh from his episonage. The trial lasted over 5 years. The evidence was overwhelming. In 2010, Nausher Gowadia was convicted on 14 counts, including episonage, money laundering, and tax evasion. On January 24, 2011, he was sentenced to 30 years in federal prison. Gowadia is currently serving his sentence in a US federal prison.